Okay, so I want to show you guys how easy it is to make a post on Quitter, which is Qortal's very own Twitter Q app. So let me go ahead and show you that now. So I'm on Quitter and I want to make a post. So I'm going to click post and I already know which image I'm going to select. So I'm going to choose it from my file explorer. I'm going to choose this image and I'm going to write, this is the reality of the current Web3 space. What do you think? And then I'm going to click post, after which I'm going to receive a small confirmation modal, which asks me for a small publishing fee. I'm going to accept it. And after a short wait, I'm going to see that my post has now been published. So if I go up here, there it is. This is the reality of the current Web3 space. What do you think? So now it's been published on Quitter, which is a decentralized peer-to-peer Twitter alternative, meaning that all the data being shared on this application is completely peer-to-peer with no intermediaries and no middlemen. So if you want to check out Quitter for yourself, visit Qortal.dev, download Qortal, and you could do something like this yourself.